Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you Creative Scroll Reveal effect in Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, adding effects to your Wix website is something really important because it actually attracts new customers or prospects or visitors to basically start exploring the actual site. So what we need to do first here is we want to add a section here that we want to add. Let's go and click on Add Section. Let's go and add an element here, so that I'll be able to show you. And maybe I want to add an image. And from here, you can go and choose whatever image you want to show here. For example, we want to choose this one. Now, in this case, we want to actually minimize the actual image itself, so we don't want, or we don't take a huge space here. But in this case, let's go and resize it. And in this case, it should be good. Now, in here, when we actually click on preview, when we actually scroll to that section, as you can see, it's fairly simple here. How do we add an effect for that? Let's go and click on back to editor here. First things first is you need to click on the actual image. You should see a bunch of tools that you could use here. So we want to go to animation. Let's go and click on it. Now, there are going to be different animations that you could basically get here. So if you're just using the ordinary Wix website or Wix website editor here, this is what you'll get. So you have entrance, loop, and scroll. But if you're using Wix or the other version for Wix here, or Wix Studio, in this case, you'll have more options. But then again, this is the base one. So you have entrance, loop, and scroll. So in this case, you could choose entrance here, so whenever someone actually goes to this specific section, it's going to add an animation for that. For example, it's going to fold, maybe fade, or even float. It could also turn, tilt, and even shrink, as you can see right now. So this is one of the creative ways of adding effects into your website or in this section here that you have. So in this case, maybe I want to add a float here, or you could even add a slide option here, which in this case does not include the whole thing here. Now you could also customize this, like maybe change the the motion style, the direction, the durations, and even the delay here. But in this case, you go and preview that, and as you can see right now, we have that. Now you could also use loop and scroll effects here if you want to. So in this case, a scroll actually adds a scroll animation to this element and will remove its other animations. So in this case, whenever someone actually scrolls to that scroll section, it's going to turn, even tilt, or even fade, and you can go and customize that. But for now, let's just choose the section here that we actually got. So we want to actually use the slide option here. And in this case, whenever we actually scroll, let's go and click on preview here. So whenever we actually go to that specific section, it's going to actually reveal that photo in that way. As you can see right now, it's now pretty a lot more interesting because we have that animation, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.